Hello everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin. And our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today I will introduce you our hot sealing the valve assembly for you. Let's take a look. And firstly is this kind of blue VCINT roast bag. As you can see, here this is the label. The first line is our Shumatt brand, and the product code of this valve assembly is F00VC01329. For the logo, the label, packages, etc., we can support customized service. And now I will check the inside for you. The transparent bottles prevent hurt during the transportation, and when you open it, the oil paper to wrap it off. For this valve assembly, the product code is F00VC01329, and it's the 110 series. For this one, the applicable inject number is 04451110168, etc. More details, please check our videos. The valve cap with coating figures here. This is the valve rod. Each product we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of customers, if you are not set with the quality, return or exchange, always okay. If you want to clean it with oil, don't clean it with the water. So much for the valve assembly introduction. At last, if you like our product, please feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. See you next time.